This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. Absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station
But you don't have to
Tomorrowland
let it stay out there and
transfer to green and red line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. I find two of my
the
favorite
old Magic Kingdom or Mac Castle. Ooh. Gets dark.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. I find two of my favorite spots. On your right is Star Trailers, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. First action stars. Those are the moments.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Lightcycle Run.
I love a good circuit.
Oh,
And these are two of the best tracks in the
Speedway, they do it
with
with
light
some
speed
lights on the
competition.
track. Christmas stuff. Later on, see the balls? It'll all be lit up. That's all they really do there. But oh my, it's coming along, eh? Yeah. Wow, it's really starting to look finished. We got the bridge
Attention
in.
all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep all exit visuals clear.
That is really,
Thank you.
really coming along. Wow. Here's the train. Space Mountain.
This is Starport 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket-powered distant deep space destination.
Whoa.